हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आउट ऑफ बॉक्स विद अनिल पांडे। और मैं आज आपको लेके आया हूँ, दर्शकों की बहुत डिमांड थी कि प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट बाय मान्यता एकमारा विच इज़ जस्ट बिसाइड ऑफ गोदरेज 24 सरजापुर बेंगलोर। तो आपको इधर का पूरा प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट दिखाएंगे। ऑफ कोर्स प्लॉट मैक्सिमम बुक हो गए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी जो लोग लेना चाहते हैं दे कैन रीच आउट टू मान्यता सेल्स ऑफिस जस्ट एडजेसेंट टू गोदरेज 24। और जस्ट मैं आपको एंड में ये लैंड पार्सल भी दिखाऊंगा, सब कुछ है इसका। तो जस्ट आप पहले मैं दिखाऊंगा, जस्ट इफ़ यू जस्ट इंटर यू मे सी गो ब्रिगेड सेंचुरी which is at Barthur. So many. Now I will start. So kindly don't skip the video, and also you may share to your contact and friend. So whoever needs it, plotted development, they can also have. So this is now they have just building up the amenities, developing this. You may see this is plot, and in this you may find the plot size 1200 square feet, 1500 square feet, 2400 square feet, 1800 square feet. So just I will just show you the area. I just told you, just if you see from here, this is a little more, I will zoom it out. So this is Brigade Sanctuary at Barthur, and the only I think 2 kilometer distance only. Now I will just show you. They have given this passage, road is also near about, you can say 20 feet wide, you can see, and then walking path they have given both side, you may see it here. So this land parcel is huge. This is the Manyata Ekmara. Again I will spell the name. So now they are, as usual, this is being launched, just a year before. People have invested for growth point of view also. And some of the amenities, they are developing it here. And now you can see the landmark project of Godrej 24. Beside of that, that's why the value of plot is also maybe increased, escalated because of the brand, Godrej. तो जब भी कभी कोई ए क्लास बिल्डर जाता है तो नेचुरल है उनका जो प्राइस वैल्यू है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है. नाउ आई विल जस्ट शो यू द रोड. आई हैव जस्ट शोन यू. दे हैव गिवन इन बिटवीन बाइफर्गेशन किया है, और ये इन्होंने सारा कुछ डेवलप कर दिया है, सीवेज पॉइंट, BWSSV, एंड नाउ दिस दे विल पुट द प्लाट, नंबर हियर. So they are the cutting plots here. You may see it seems near about, this is 2400 square feet plot. You see the dimension like this they have given. Just ये जो बिगर साइज के प्लाट दिख रहे हैं, just see one distance here, another here, you can just see. So naturally from Godrej 24 I just had today morning walk. So I thought why not to give the people, because they were asking in hundreds, whoever have booked, to know about, and other people also to know where the plotted development is going on. So you can see the end point at that they are making the amenities. Same bifurcation of road you may find here also. This is plotted development. So they have given like this. Every amenities. Now just see drainage point, and cable is also underground cable they are giving. Street light they have already fixed. That road you can see, and now they are developing the amenities. नए व्यूअर को बताते हैं, जब भी आप कोई भी प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट लेते हैं तो सबसे पहले 20% डाउन पेमेंट वो लेता है, और इसके बाद आपका रेस्ट ऑफ द पेमेंट जब ये एमिनिटीज़ डेवलप हो जाती हैं तब दिया जाता है. तब आपको बैंक लोन देगी. प्लॉट में भी, इस प्लॉट में भी लोन है, और इट कैन बी गिवन बाय ऑथराइज बैंक SBI, और ये HDFC बैंक हैं. लेकिन अभी ये लोग एम्यूनिटीज़ डेवलप कर रहे हैं एज प्रोमिस्ड। जैसे लोग पूछते हैं, कोई मुझे एरिया अभी क्लब डेवलप नहीं हुआ है, विच इज़ वेरी मैंडेटरी, क्योंकि जो भी एम्यूनिटीज़ होती हैं, अगर आपके प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट में यदि आप एम्यूनिटीज़ ले रहे हैं, मान लो हैं, तो आपको बच्चों के लिए जो स्पोर्ट्स एम्यूनिटीज़ हैं और क्लब है, स्विमिंग पूल है, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट है, और ये क्रिकेट फील्ड में भी दे मे बी डेवलपिंग, बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई डोंट सी, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू फुल ग्लिम्स व्हाट दे हैव जस्ट गिवन, क्या एम्यूनिटी ये डेवलप कर रहे हैं, तो वो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। सिट आउट एरिया तो मुझे दिख रहे हैं, जैसे आप सामने देख सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे एम्यूनिटीज़ नहीं दिख रही, और ये कई लोगों की शिकायत भी है। मान्यता मोर फील्ड जो ऑलरेडी इनका डेवलप हो चुका है, उसमें भी मैंने इंक्वायर किया था, बिकॉज नियर बाई है, उसमें भी क्लब अभी बना नहीं है। तो मेन प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि आपने घर तो बना लिया, लेकिन ब्रांडेड है, नो वैल्यू, ग्रोथ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ठीक है, लेकिन यदि आपको एम्यूनिटीज़ नहीं मिल रही हैं जो बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है टू ग्रोइंग स्किल, जैसे बच्चों को बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट चाहिए, उनके बैडमिंटन के कोर्ट्स चाहिए, ओपन क्रिकेट फील्ड्स चाहिए, फुटबॉल कोर्ट चाहिए, एंड देन सो मैनी एम्यूनिटीज़ दे रिक्वायर। बाद बाकी ये लोग सब डेवलप कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एज सच मुझे हो सकता है इतना इन्होंने ये डिग आउट किया है, मे बी फॉर सम क्लब। जस्ट आई विल टेक यू इनसाइड दिस, दे हैव गिवन हियर पार्क 5, just you see they have given the park, this park will come here, they have given huge sit out here, but regarding the amenities, maybe that side you may be just seeing the dig up, so many construction is going on at present. I don't see, a lot of mud they have taken out, maybe for club area or something will come out, I will just update. As of now this park is there, sit out, I think it is a quite average park, so huge space, and now the street light you may see all where they have put it here, and now just see this area, again one sit out is there. I'll take you that side, just I will, and then I will take you their main gate also, which opens on the side by Godrej 24. तो बहुत लोग रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे कि सर आप, मैं रियल इस्टेट का अपलोड करता रहता हूँ, और मान्यता एक ह्यूज लैंड बैंक यहाँ बेंगलोर में है, उनके पास रेप्टेड है, और ये अगर आप गोदरेज 24 भी देखें तो मान्यता गोदरेज 24 का ही कोलाबोरेशन था। ये अगेन आई हैव ब्रॉट टू अनदर प्लॉट एरिया, दे हैव गिवन द रोड इन बिटवीन, दिस इज पार्क 4, you might be seeing. So it means they have numbered, maybe there is 5 park in this, is quite sufficient for this land parcel, which I think near about, it maybe I have just forgotten, but as per area if I see it is more than 15 acres of land. So this I am just showing you, the street lamp work is just finished, and this is their small plots, you may find it here, maybe dimension 1500 square feet or something like that. They have not displayed the board, so thus just you can see the street light is complete, the bore well, that BWSSB work is just complete, this drainage, and what I see here, no hanging of the wires, maybe internal electrical wiring is there. So just on the viewers' demand to know about plotted development near to a branded builder, so naturally it has got a Manyata has a brand, but still I'll say the whoever is investing the money, they should check out all the legality before investing in this. This more I will just show you. You can just see, I have just zoomed once again. This is another, plot. All the street lights are there. They are just providing the green landscape. And area is surrounded. No doubt in that this area, Sarjapur, has tremendous growth opportunity for investors who want to invest in the real estate. As आप देख लीजिए, गोल्ड और रियल इस्टेट का अभी भी कोई जवाब नहीं, रिप्लाई नहीं. गोल्ड देखिए अभी 126 एट प्रेजेंट 10 ग्राम, कॉस्टिंग 1,26,000. Same way real estate, multiple fold, the real estate. Of course, now the real estate market is totally dependent upon IT here in Bangalore specific. So it is also some downfall is coming because people are losing job because of the USA current trade policy. So maybe some slowdown is there, but still, they have given the water tank also. Just you see, they have just built up for this society the water tank, which will supply the water. And this is the huge gate. Just I told you in front of, Godrej. This is their gate. You may be seeing here. Just I am showing you. Just gate is just opening where the entry point of Godrej is there. So naturally this area is having a capacity to grow, whether market of any kind. This is a temporary, and nobody knows the Trump trade policy, because every day when he get out bad, he brings some of the new things to world. But his policy is also under scanning. Maybe he is also under scanning as a president term. But growth, why I am saying, because people are just fearing to invest in real estate, and that is genuine also. But again, still the gold you see in this current scenario is rising. Like as the demand is more, everybody want to accumulate the gold. Same way property. So anybody, just I am showing you, property also can give you multiple fold of the growth, which that's why youngsters who want to just grow, they just have, this is just I am showing you, and this is for the viewers who want to just come. This is the back side. I am just showing you market sales office of the Manyata Ekmara, and by side of that also they have just given introduced Manyata Ekmoi. This is Ekmara. After Manyata, if you have just come to Manyata Moorfield, new plotted development they have just announced. So whenever I will visit that side, I will give you, because so many viewers want some of the growth point of view to know it. And at beginning, whatever the rate is there, you can have a growth. So just I am taking you now the entry point of this, Manyata Ekmara. So आज मैंने आपको मान्यता एकमारा का दिखा दिया है पूरा क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, क्या क्या एमिनिटीज़ डेवलप हो रही है. तो और अब मैं आपको लेके चलता हूँ इनका जो मार्केट ऑफिस है, वेयर पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड. दिस इज़ द सेंट्रलाइज्ड मार्केट ऑफिस फॉर एनी ऑफ द प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द मान्यता ग्रुप, वेदर मान्यता Moorfield. This is nearby only from this location, or Manyata Ekmara, which is at present you are there, and recently announced Manyata Ekmoi. This might be saying you just see. They have just, this is the sales office. From Godrej it is just, walk through. This is their experience center. And that gate they have just, for being they have just given the road, but it is blocked. Now you may be seeing this is experience center or Manata sales office. Now I'll just, this is just, they have given huge, board. But at evening it just, lights up and give the fantastic view. They light up. LED lights are there, which at night it gives the, so this I am just showing you. This is the Manyata Ekam or Ekmara. Yes, they have given slogan also. Some of the tags: simplicity, mindfulness, functionality. So this is just I am showing because people have just, and see, I told you this area. I will take you sometime. Amber Stone also is coming up just in front of the Godrej, 31 floor. That when I will enter that I will also show you. So this area is having a tremendous growth opportunity. So this is why cable I am showing you Godrej 24. Just see, because of that brand value, Godrej is a pan-India image. So wherever the Godrej go, the builders, just try to catch up that space, and because of that escalation of the price take place. Now I was just telling you another project which they have launched, Manyata Ekmoi. Just you see, this is also from here 1 kilometer or 1.5 after Manyata Moorfield, and this is just Godrej 24. Just once more I will show you. And in front of this you may see Ventara project is coming up. Now it has come up to second or third floor. That I am also showing you. The beautiful roads. If you take entry point, yes, I will show you. But because this area is having now huge opportunity. This is Amber Stone. And this road I will show you. Whenever the people have initially came to this area before 1 year, the road was not with quality. Now the full road infrastructure, because the growth is coming to this part. So you might find the beautiful, huge, road. Just see it there. This is again Ventara, collaboration done with Enerock, which is known as real estate builder, good builder. So viewer, how you like this video? Let me know through comment box. And also it is for new viewer to know the more recent update regarding any real estate launch or plot development, or want to just and want my guidance, then they can come via TopMat. The link is provided in description box. And also it is request, kindly subscribe and do share to your contact and friends. We will meet again with new information of launch any of the project, plotted development or flat with reason. Till then, bye everyone.